Hey everybody, how y'all doing? This video is going to be about the parts that make up the upper portion of the sewing machine, and in particular the cam, stack, selector, and all its components, the followers and the indicator pins and all that. And kind of to the top of the screen is the 500J that I've been working on for about the last 27 or 28 videos. That's right over, where am I here? Right over there. And then this one here is the 411G. And the reason I have the grubby, down and dirty 411G here is I'm using the setup of the cam, selector, dial, and the followers and the indicator pins and all that. And I'm using that as a template, as a plan, as a guide to rebuild these parts here that belong in there. Those parts are there, these parts belong in there. So I'm going to learn how this is all put together again, because I've done this. This will probably be at least the 4th time, maybe the 5th time that I put all this stuff together and put it back in there. And I've never filmed that. I have filmed it a bit, but not much. And why does it take me a little bit of time to do this? Because I'm learning how to do it, you know? It's not just a matter of putting the sewing machine on the work table, on the project table, and jump right in, Jebb, and start sewing. That's not really what I do, you know? And I haven't sewn on my 401A for a while. I should do that later today. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm rambling on here. Initially, I'm going to take those parts out of that magnetic tray that I'm indicating to right now, right there. And I'm going to kind of lay them out and check my list for the Bight Amplitude and Pattern Selector. And that's what all this stuff is called, the Bight Amplitude and Pattern Selector. Like, how cool is that? Anyway, I hope that you like some of the video that is coming your way. I may save this just for the entire video, or I may just put it up to say hi. And I really appreciate everybody for being kind. We were chatting about July 4th, and you know, not to forget about July 1st, which was Canada's little birthday as well. And then if you're in Quebec, of course, in June, towards middle end of June, is Saint Jean Baptiste Day, the Quebec Nation's national celebration. Anyway, here we go. Back to you soon.